Ever wake up after 8 hours of sleep, and still feel tired? Not in your bones. In your mind. Like your thoughts already ran a marathon. Before you even touched your phone. That's not laziness. It's mental exhaustion. And it's deeper than you think. You scroll, TikTok, texts, headlines. You get dressed while replaying yesterday's awkward moment, again. At breakfast, you're there. But not really. Your body moves, but your brain is buffering. Constantly stuck between what happened and what might. And even when you sit still, your brain keeps running on invisible treadmills. Here's what's happening. Your brain isn't tired from doing nothing. It's tired from doing everything at once. Mentally tired means your cognitive load is overloaded. Thoughts like, what if I mess up today? Why did they leave me on read? I should be doing more. Each one is like a browser tab left open. And you've got 47 tabs, all playing videos on loop. No wonder your mind feels like it's overheating. Neuroscientists call this ego depletion. Your decision-making, willpower, focus. They're all energy sources. And guess what? You've been draining them from the moment you woke up. And here's the twist. You're not tired because you worked hard. You're tired because you felt too much, too often. Here's the reframe, it's not your schedule, it's your mental hygiene. Just like your body needs a shower, your brain needs stillness. Try one mental detox hour per day. No noise, no screens, just walk, breathe, journal and stare at the sky. Stop multitasking emotions and start asking yourself, is this thought helping, or haunting me? When your brain isn't flooded, it starts to focus. When your emotions are named, they stop screaming. And slowly, mental tiredness fades into mental clarity. Your mind was never meant to carry the whole world before breakfast. It just needs a little room, to rest, reset, and be. So if you're tired, mentally, not physically, maybe it's time to stop chasing energy, and start protecting it.